So we're quickly going to just look at variables, and just so we can understand a little bit about what a variable actually is. Now, we use variables in computer programs to store values. So let's just say, for instance, we want to store the value 12 in a computer program. Now, this value 12 wants to get stored in memory. Now let's just say that this is our memory over here. A nice small computer with just 32 blocks of memory. Starts at 0, goes to 31. So we've got 32 blocks. And some of these blocks might be used for the program. So let's say some of these are already used up. So all these are already used up by the program. And let's say that the first free block is block 11. So we store our value 12 in this block. Now, if we were writing programs, it would be very difficult to try and have to remember that this number is stored in block 11, and maybe if you wanted to store another number at some point, so that's stored in block 12. Okay, so very difficult to remember. So instead of having to remember where they are, we use variable names. So let's say age, okay, for 12. So age is basically pointing to this memory location. And 53 down here, let's say that's, I don't know, weight. Okay, and that's stored in this memory location here. So instead of having to remember the number, all we have to do is work with the name of the variable. And these variables can store different types of data. So here we've got numbers. We can set up variables which will store characters, for instance. So if we wanted to store the character A, okay, we could store that. Or if we wanted to store a whole stream of characters, what we call a string, we can store those as well. We normally put those in double quotes, put these in single quotes. So variable is just a place in memory where we store something.